Imagine a situation where conflict erupts and innocent families are caught in the crossfire. In such a terrifying scenario, who should receive the utmost protection, and how can we ensure their safety and movement away from danger? The answer lies in the fundamental principles of international law, especially when it comes to the most vulnerable among us. International Humanitarian Law, or IHL, provides specific and enhanced protections for children during armed conflicts, including clear provisions for their safe passage. This means that parties to a conflict are obligated to facilitate the evacuation of children from besieged or encircled areas, or areas of intense fighting, to places of safety. This special status for children is not just a moral plea but a legal requirement rooted in the Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols, particularly Additional Protocol 1 and 2. These instruments recognize children as a distinct category of protected persons due to their unique vulnerability and their inability to directly participate in hostilities. The underlying principle is simple. Children are not combatants, and they must be shielded from the ravages of war, ensuring their survival and well-being. In practice, this means that warring parties must take all feasible measures to arrange for the safe evacuation of children, often through agreed-upon humanitarian corridors or safe zones. They must allow and facilitate the work of impartial humanitarian organizations, such as the International Committee of the Red Cross, in identifying, registering, and assisting these children. Furthermore, these rules emphasize the importance of maintaining family unity during evacuations whenever possible, and ensuring that children are accompanied by adults responsible for their care. An often overlooked but crucial detail is the specific obligation to ensure that children evacuated from a conflict zone are not subsequently recruited into armed forces or groups. This reinforces the protective intent of safe passage, extending beyond mere physical removal to safeguarding their future. The principle of the best interests of the child guides all decisions concerning their protection and welfare during armed conflict. Ultimately, the rules surrounding safe passage for children are a cornerstone of international humanitarian law, designed to mitigate the horrific impact of war on the youngest and most defenseless. They serve as a powerful legal framework to ensure that, amidst the chaos and violence, there remains a commitment to saving children, reuniting families, and protecting their fundamental rights and dignity.